In this video, we are going to continue the basics of percentages. In the last video, we have seen the percentage increase, percentage decrease, and value increase, value decrease. Here we are going to look successive percentage decrease, and increase decrease, and more than 2 times increase or decrease. So, how to solve these problems easily using unknown method? Here, the basics alone will teach, and then examples will come later. So, first thing, successive percentage increase. What is successive? Successive means next. So, if a percentage increase happened at the first, the next increase is successive increase. For example, I have a product, I have a moped which is 100 rupees. For example, which is 100 rupees. I am giving it with a profit of 10% to you. Okay, you are selling that to the another person with a profit of 20%, which means I am giving you 10% increase, you are giving it to some other person with a 20% increase. This is successive increase because you are going to increase the price 20% from your price, not from my price. That is why this is successive. Successive means twice the increase. Successive percentage is twice the increase. First of all, in this successive thing, we are going to use one formula, which is a plus b plus ab by 100. Nothing but which is happening successively. That is why we cannot add a plus b alone. So if two things next increasing means, then you have to use this formula. Okay. For example, a is first increase, b is second increase. A into b divided by 100. The formula is very simple. A plus b plus ab by 100. Without formula is also we can solve. Successive increase means twice you have to use unknown one. For the first 10% increase you have to use, and then you will get a value. From that value you have to increase the next one. That will take long time. That is why this formula will be used. A plus b plus ab by 100. A is first increase, b is second increase. As I already told you, let's get into the problem. How we are going to use this in the problem. Question is, two successive increase of 20% and 30% is equal to a single increase of. Successively I am increasing 20% and 30% means what is the overall increase? That is the question. So as I already told you, we are going to use increase. So increase is 20% at the beginning and then 30% and next. So increase is A 20%, B 30%. Both are increased. So we are going to use plus. So 20 is also plus, 30 plus 20 into 30 divided by 100. So instead of A, B, I am using 20 and 30. So 20 plus 30, 50 plus 20 into 30. You don't need to multiply them. So just cancel these zeros. 2 into 3, 6. What will happen? The answer is 56%. That's it. 56% is in positive. So 56% is the total increase. If you increase 20 and 30 successively, which is 56% increase, you should not add just 20 and 30, which will give you 50%. That's a wrong answer. Are you clear? Very simple. Successive means we are going to use only one formula. Successive, how you will understand successive means it is changing from position to position. For example, this year, next year, and then next year. Example 2020, 2021, 2022. Or else 2021, 2022, 2023. The change is there, no? So that is successive. 20%, 30%. So both are in positive, both are increasing. That is why I have used only positives. Let's come to the successive decrease. Decrease is also same. So I have a phone. I am giving you the loss of 10%, which is decreased again. You bought that phone. You are again selling that phone to some other person. You are also giving 10% loss to some other person. This is successive. Successive loss. Successive decrease. So we'll check. So successive we'll solve. two successive decrease of 20% and 30% is equal to a single decrease of again 20% and 30%. Here what, which is decrease. The formula is same. I told you the formula is a plus b plus ab by 100. 20 and 30. Decrease means plus or minus. It's minus, right? So just use. Instead of a, I am using minus 20. Instead of b, I am using minus 30. Instead of a, minus 20 into minus 30 divided by 100. That's it. Okay? Clear? Very simple. Instead of a, I am using minus 20 because I am decreasing 20%. So instead of b, I am using 30% because I am decreasing 30%. So solve this. Minus 20 plus minus 30 is minus 50. Just minus 50. And here cancel the 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 into 3, 6. Minus into minus plus, you will get answer plus 6. Which means minus 44. The answer is 44% decrease. If the original value, what is the original value? Original value is always 100%. If a product is there, successively decrease 20 and 30 means at the end it will decrease by 44%. If you are decreasing 44%, what is the original value? 56%. Yeah, that's correct. Same here. If it is 56% increasing means what is the new value? Twice successively 20 and 30 means it will increase 56%. Original value is 100%. New value will become 156% when you use unknown. So there is no problem to solve here. Unknown, just an explanation of the basics. Next, increase and decrease. Even increase and decrease in the same problem. So listen the question. Again the same formula. A plus b plus ab by 100. Okay. A number increased by 20% and then decreased by 10%. What is the percentage change? First, what they are doing, taking a number. A number. What is its percentage? You know, obviously, what is it? 100%. Yeah. First, increase by 20%. After that, decrease by 10%. So, once again, we are going to use the same formula. A plus b plus ab by 100. First of all, I will take it down the points. 20% is increase and 10% is decrease. 20% increase, 10% decrease. 20% plus, 10% minus. Just use this in formula. So A is plus 20, B is minus 10 plus A is 20 into minus 10 divided by 100. Just I fixed the value into formula A plus B plus AB by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Here 20 minus 10, you will get 10 from this. And 2 into minus 1, minus 2, you will get 8% increase because the 8 is in positive. After doing successive of 20% increase and 10% decrease, what you will get? You will get 8% increase. The beginning number is 100%. After doing successively, what will become? It will become 108. From 100 to 108 because 8% is in increase. For example, if there is 8% in decrease means what will happen? It's 8% decrease, 92% is the original one you will get. Okay. We'll move to the next one. So the last one. More than 2 times of increase or decrease. Either increase is there, decrease is there alternatively. Because we have only 2. A plus B plus AB by 100. Okay, more than 2 times means what will be the formula? You should not think like A plus B plus C plus ABC by 100. That's a wrong one. So here also we are going to use the same formula. Okay, a number increased by 20%, 20% and 10% successively. What is the percentage change? A number increased 25% at the first, next 20% and then 10%. So successively, what is the percentage? So a number, what is its percentage? 100% obviously. At the end, it will increase or decrease after doing these three. What we have to do is, so we have to take it down. So first thing is 20%, sorry, 25% increase, 20% increase, 10% increase. So I have a formula for only two values. Okay, no problem. Just substitute for the first two. First two, what will happen? A plus B plus AB by 100. What you will get? What is the value you will get? 0, 0 get cancelled. 2. 5 times of 2 is 10. Cancelling this 5, you will get 5. Okay. 25 plus 20 is 45. 45 plus 5 is 50%, which is in increase. So I have solved two values. Then take it down this value 10% here. So now you got AB. Okay. 50% is A, 10% is B. What will be the answer? 50 plus 10 plus 50 into 10 divided by 100. Cancelling 0, 0, 0, 0, you will get 5. 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 5, 65% increase. If you are increasing a number successively 25, 20 and 10, at the end it overall increase is 65. A number is 100%, at the end it will become 165% of itself. That's all successively increase. Even if there is 4 numbers, if the question may be 4 numbers, 25, 20, 10 and again 20 means, solve these two, you will get a value. Solve that two, you will get a value. A, B, and then you will get a single value. This is the easiest way. So successive, when you come to successive increase, there is one more thing you need to know. What is that? This is nothing but successive increase is compound interest. What will happen to the compound interest? If you know the compound interest already with the traditional formulas, then you will know. Successively it increases. For example, first year there is 10% interest means 100 will become 110. The next year 10% will be calculated from 110, which is nothing but successive increase. To compound interest, we are not going to use any other formula. We are going to use successive increase alone, because there is no decrease in simple interest compound interest. Interest means it's always increase. There is no decrease concepts will come in simple interest compound interest. That's all for the basics of successive increase. If you know these things, the previous class as well as this class, that's enough for all the three topics: percentages, profit and loss, and simple interest compound interest. If you know this clearly. So unknown why we haven't used unknown here, because we didn't get question here. We have just asked the increase and decrease. If there is the question, the same question can be changed into a question. A number increased 25%, 20% and 10% successively. What is this percentage change is the question. I am changing that. A number 500 is increased 25%, 20% and 10% successively. Find the new number. That will be the question. So number 500, what is its percentage? 500%. What is its percentage? Number 500 is 100%. 500, 100% I know. At the end, after successively increasing, it will increase 65%. 500 is 100%. After increasing 65%, 165% is what you have to find. That is the question mark. When you box, you can solve it successively. Thank you for now.